Imagine you are the smartest person on Earth. You literally invented the math used to send rockets to the moon. You discovered gravity. Your name is Sir Isaac Newton. Now, imagine losing $20 million because you followed a trend. 300 years ago, there was a scam so big, it almost destroyed the entire country of England. It was called the South Sea Bubble. And it proves that even a genius can be blinded by the get-rich-quick glitch. It's the year 1711. England is broke from fighting wars. A group of businessmen starts the South Sea Company. They tell everyone, "We have a special deal. We are the only ones allowed to trade gold and jewels in South America." Investors heard the word gold. They started throwing their life savings at the company. But here's the catch. Spain actually controlled South America. England wasn't even allowed to send ships there. The South Sea Company didn't have any gold. They didn't even have any ships. So how did they get so rich? They were the kings of hype. They paid off politicians. They even gave free stock to the King of England. When people saw the king investing, they thought it was a sure thing. In January, the stock was worth £100. By June, it was worth 1,000. Everyone was getting rich. The baker, the mailman, and yes, Isaac Newton. Newton actually sold his stock early and doubled his money. But then he saw his friends getting even richer. He felt that FOMO, the fear of missing out. Even the man who figured out the universe couldn't handle the pressure. He jumped back in at the very top, spending almost every penny he owned. Because the South Sea Company was doing so well, other fake companies started popping up. One guy started a company to make salt water into fresh water. But the craziest one? A guy started a company and said, quote, "This is for a secret project that nobody is allowed to know about yet." People actually gave him money. He took the cash and disappeared that same afternoon. In August of 1720, the glitch finally broke. People realized the South Sea Company hadn't sent a single ship to get gold. The directors started secretly selling their shares. When the public found out, the price didn't just drop, it vanished. Isaac Newton lost the modern equivalent of $20 million. The British economy crashed. People were ruined. Newton spent the rest of his life in a bad mood. He actually banned his friends from saying the words South Sea around him. He famously said, "I can calculate the motion of the stars, but I cannot calculate the madness of people." So, the next time you see a secret deal that promises to make you a millionaire overnight, remember Isaac Newton. Gravity always wins, and what goes up must come down.